welcome back. Today I'm reviewing Sip and Savor. I don't know why I said it like that, Sip and Savor. In case you're not familiar with this magical card deck, my friend BC from Doin the Most made this. Pretty dope. He has a Kickstarter that is live right now. So go please check it out. I'll include the link and everything in the description below. So I haven't looked at these yet. This is sort of like an unboxing video. And I'm gonna try one of his meads. I have the Strawberry Jam, is it mead? Sorry if I randomly cough. I'm like getting over something right now. Okay, Sip and Savor vocabulary deck for boozy beverages. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, so at the very bottom of the deck are the like descriptive cards. Ooh, okay, hang on. All right, so we have Sip and Savor philosophy, how to use Sip and Savor. Each card consists of a descriptor that reflects something you may sense in the beverage. Additionally, you will find a detailed, relatable definition for what the descriptor means. So all the cards have symbols on them for visual, aroma, flavor, and both aroma and flavor. Very cool. Okay, so it targets all of the senses that you will experience. There is a card game as well. Oh my gosh. All right, well, I'll have to check out the card game for when I have another guest. A guest. Ooh, okay, so all the colors, they're all like a specific color, and each of the colors reflect the experience, the sensors. I am lacking words right now. All right, so green is visual. I'm just gonna separate all of these. Okay. Wait. Ooh, here's the nose. There aren't very many scents. Oh my God. Woo! There's a lot of both. Both aroma and flavor. Look at all of those, holy moly. And then blue is just flavor. So the other thing is that there are little symbols for mead, wine, beer, and cider. So some of these, like you see like a little honeycomb is for mead, it looks like. So some of these are like wine and beer only. I mean, mead is on like almost all of these cards that I'm looking at right now. I think a lot of these seem to be all encompassing across the board, whatever it is you're tasting. I haven't looked at any of these. Oh gosh, there are so many. Stinky, stinging, sulfur, fragrant. I love those. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can find descriptors for this mead. All right, let's do this though. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Okay, visual. Ooh, visual, very clear. Head, cloudy, brilliant. A beverage that is crystal clear with no haze, murkiness, or sediment. There are like teeny tiny little like baby bubbles in here, but it does look quite, is it brilliant? Let's see, clear. Beverage is see-through enough that you can read through it, but perhaps not on par with brilliant. There will be very little haze suspended and next to no sediment at the bottom of the bottle, though the liquid may come in any range of colors. I would say this is, oh golly goodness, golly. It's like in between the two. It appears still, I mean, yeah, it's still. I mean, look at it, still. Fragrance, let's judge the fragrance. Yeah, this is fun, I like it. Stinky, stinging, sulfur, or fragrant. It's definitely not the other ones. I'd say fragrant. The nose on this brew speaks up. What rides atop the glass confidently communicates what is in store for the taste buds. There's an aroma that is clear and defined, which is often echoed in the drinker's exhale. Oh, okay, so it might not really hit. Let's see though. It does have a very nice strawberry. It's very subtle. Strawberries are a very subtle, delicate fruit. There's so many. Holy shit. All right, I'm gonna try it. kind of like sings. Is that a card? Acidic, for sure. Which is funny because acidic is the first card on the top. Tart, puckering, perhaps in some ways biting. Acidity can have a full range of flavors and perceive textural and aromatic experiences, but you can easily identify it when it is present. I would definitely say this is acidic. It lingers too. It's interesting because it's not a strong strawberry. It's pretty mild. I feel like I get maybe a little bit more strawberry on the nose. It is pleasant though. Okay, let's see. Banana, barnyard, oh golly. Citrusy, take that out. Complex, this is not a complex mead. It almost feels like I'm drinking a cider. Light, I'm gonna take that out. Oh my God, I love the description for musty. I just have to read it. Like an old family cabin sealed away at the lake for years. It's full of retro Nat Geo magazines from the 1960s. Faded furniture beneath yellowed dust covers, and some moisture has worked its way down through the ceiling tiles. None of this is pleasant. The brew is stale, off-putting to the nose, and dank. Ow. These are really good, honestly. All right, I think I pulled out the cards that I kind of attribute most to this. Let's see. I pulled light, clean, citrusy, bright, and acidic. It's very light. Airy and delicate, often coincides with being refreshing and easy sipping, which I would say that this is. Not to be confused with watery, flabby, or light-bodied. It's definitely not that. Clean, there are no off flavors. Bright, so this brew presents with lightness, flair, and sunshine. Now there is another deck here for flavor. Look at all these. So many cards. There is a good, and this isn't just straight up acidic either. Like there is tannin there. I can feel it in my mouth right now. There's a little bit of tannin. This is very light. Definitely on the dry side. Crispy, yes, very crispy. Crushable, I would definitely say. Ooh, dry. I'd say that's a long finish. It lingers. Notes of fresh fruit juice. Juicy. Ooh, is it juicy? I'll pull that one out. Definitely light-bodied. Off dry. Oh, interesting. Tart, definitely. I just pulled the cards that really jumped out at me when drinking this. I have no idea what the ABV of this is, but I already feel it. Although it doesn't really take much for me. So it's not quite dry, off dry, I would say. So there's a slight sweetness that breaks through the dryness. Tart, light bodied. It's definitely crispy. I feel like crispy and crushable just kind of go together naturally. I mean, this is definitely very drinkable. This would be good. I think it would be good slightly chilled too. There's definitely body. Juicy. So there are notes of fresh fruit juice, apple, orange, alcohol, flavor, and bite are nearly non-existent, which I would agree with this. Sip and savor. I don't know. I'm a little bit buzzed now. What can I say? I drank a good amount of mead. It's really good though. And I haven't really eaten anything because I'm bad. I feel like, this is great for vocabulary, especially if you're new to kind of tasting. The vocab is great. I absolutely love the symbols, and it's just very easy to look at and understand what you're looking at. The descriptions are really good. I would be really interested to play the card game. That's my unboxing review of Sip and Savor. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Check out the Kickstarter, please. Buy a deck because they're dope. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. And yeah, we'll see you later. Bye. Bye.